Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to revise chapter Force, Work, and Energy. We know that things do not move on their own, things only move when they are pushed or pulled. You pull your toys, you push the ball with your bat, you pull out your books from the bag. When you push or pull the things, you apply force on them. जब हम किसी भी चीज़ को खींचते हैं अपनी तरफ या धक्का मारते हैं तो हम उस पर क्या करते हैं, फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं. कौन कौन से चीज़ें हैं जो कि फोर्स कर सकता है. फोर्स कैन डू मैनी थिंग्स. इट कैन मूव ऑब्जेक्ट, इट कैन स्लो डाउन ऑब्जेक्ट, और इट कैन इवन स्टॉप देम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन यू राइड योर बाइसिकल यू pedal hard, the cycle moves faster. If you use the brake, it stops the cycle. So force can even stop the things. Now how can you push the moving ball? Now if you are pushing the moving ball in another direction, what you will observe? You will see the moving ball will change its direction. If we try and stop the moving ball, what you will do? We will apply force in the डायरेक्शन ऑपोजिट टू इट्स मोशन. जिस डायरेक्शन में वो चल रही है उसके ऑपोजिट जगह से अगर हम उसे रोकेंगे तो वो इजीली जल्दी से रुक जाएगी. नाउ फोर्स कैन इवन चेंज द शेप ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. फोर्स जो है ऑब्जेक्ट की शेप को भी चेंज कर देता है. सपोज आपके पास कोई बॉल है, तो अगर आप उसको स्क्वीज़ करोगे, प्लास्टिक बॉल है उसको स्क्वीज़ करेंगे हम, तो उसकी शेप कैसे हो जाएगी, चेंज हो जाएगी शेप जो है. तो इससे हमें पता चलता है अगर हम कहीं फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं तो उसकी शेप भी चेंज हो जाती है. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ फोर्सेस आर मस्क्यूलर फोर्सेस, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, मैग्नेटिक फोर्स, and frictional force. Muscular force, human and animals use muscular force to do their work. We use muscles to squeeze a lemon or to lift a book. Horses use their muscles to pull cart. Elephants use their muscles to push the logs. The force being applied by us, horses and elephant, is called muscular force. Now gravitational force. What happens to a ball when we throw it up in the air? It will always come back to earth. This happens due to the force being exerted on it by the earth. The force with which the earth pulls an object towards itself is called gravity or gravitational force. We are on the earth because it pulls us down, otherwise we would be floating in the air. Otherwise अगर अर्थ में ग्रेविटी नहीं होती, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स नहीं होता, तो हम एयर में फ्लोट कर रहे होते. Now magnetic force, a magnet can pull certain materials like iron. The force applied by the magnet on iron object is called magnetic force. मैग्नेट जो है सिर्फ आयरन के ऑब्जेक्ट्स को ही अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करती है. Now frictional force, a force called friction, always acts in direction opposite to that of motion. The ball moves a greater distance on the smooth surface like floor than on the rough surface like grass, because frictional force is less on the ground floor as compared to the grass. In fact, we can walk because of friction only. It prevents us from slipping. Wet surface decreases the friction between the sole of our shoes and the floor and we slip. Now, what would happen if we try to unscrew a bottle cap with the oily hands? हमें मुश्किल होगी, नहीं होगा, उसको हम ओपन नहीं कर पाएंगे इजीली. If we try to walk on smooth, well polished floor, हम गिर जाएंगे, slip हो जाएंगे. And we cannot move on ice because ice is very smooth, so there is very little friction and we may slip. Now work is said to be done if the force applied on an object results in changing the position of the object. In case we try to push a wall, we cannot, because the muscular force applied by us would not move the wall. When we pull a chair, we do work as we end up changing its position. अगर किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन को हम चेंज कर पाते हैं फोर्स अप्लाई करके तो वर्क होता है, अदरवाइज वर्क इज़ नॉट डन. सो वर्क इज सेड टू बी डन व्हेन फोर्स अप्लाइड ऑन एन ऑब्जेक्ट रिजल्ट्स इन चेंजिंग इट्स पोजीशन. अगर उसकी पोजीशन चेंज हो जाती है तो वहाँ पर वर्क होता है. नाउ एनर्जी. एनर्जी इज द कैपेसिटी टू डू वर्क. When we run, we do work. To run, we need energy. This energy comes from the food we eat. To do work, energy is required that comes from the food. Energy can be defined as the ability to do work. Now, there are different types of energy: electrical energy, heat energy, wind energy, and solar energy. Electrical energy is used to move machines like fans, electric motors, tube wells, and other electrical machines in the factories. Heat energy is used for cooking food. It keeps our room warm in winter. The sun also provides us heat energy. Wind energy and water energy. Wind energy is used to make electricity through windmills, and the energy of moving water is used to produce electricity. Solar energy. Sun is the ultimate source of energy on earth. Plants absorb the light energy from the sun and they produce food. This food from the plant is eaten by us. Food gives us energy. So, sun's energy is changed into food, by which we get energy to do work. Nowadays, solar energy is also being used in many gadgets so as to replace electrical energy like geysers, streetlights, etc. Now, fuels. Vehicles like cars, buses, motorcycles, trains, etc. require fuels to move like CNG, diesels, and petrol. Petroleum is found inside the earth. In some places, it is obtained by digging the earth under the seabed. In our country, large quantity of petroleum are found under the seabed of Arabian Sea. Cooking gas or LPG gas is also obtained from petroleum. So, these resources are non-renewable resources. Uncontrolled use of these resources is major cause of worry. बहुत टेंशन की बात है अगर हम इसको uncontrolled manner में use करें. Coal is an important fuel for domestic and industrial use. Coal is burnt to convert water into steam, which runs the turbines to produce electricity. It is called thermal energy. Coal mines are mainly located in Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal in our country. Coal is a non-renewable resource of energy and needs to be used with care. Sources like water, wind and sun are renewable resources as these are available in abundance. बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. For energy requirements, the world should depend on these renewable resources of energy. They are available in plenty and are free of cost. Also, these forms of energy do not pollute the environment. और ये हमारे environment को भी pollute नहीं करते. Thank you everyone. This was all for today.